Can you sit down for a minute? Sit down. Okay, I want you to look at the balloon all the way over here. Come here. Make sure nothing special about it.
Yep.
Seem to be okay?
Yep.
Okay, perfect. I do have a quick question. Are you ticklish?
No.
Whoa. Can we leave the toys till after, guys? Come on out. Come on, have a seat over here.
Come on, Cal.
You can come play, I promise, afterwards. Okay, what I'm going to have you do is stand right here. Look towards the audience. Take your two hands, hold up like an airplane. Now, what this is going to do is this balloon, guys, is going to go through her body from the back to the front without popping the balloon at all. Would that be amazing? Are you guys ready?
Yes.
I can't hear you. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Count to 3.
1,
2, 3.
Hold your breath. Don't move. Don't move. It's a long way around. Sorry. Hands straight. Because now,
I got your baby with
all the way through her body from the back to the front. Can you hold that part right there for me? Hold the balloon right here. Okay, this part right here. Let's get our volunteer nice to our boys for helping.